Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text outline color in Photoshop. Now you can see. Now firstly, open the Photoshop document. Now we're going to the toolbar option. Now select from text tool. Now click. Now type your text. Now keyboard press enter. Now again click keyboard press from Ctrl T. Now resize your picture text. Now resize the text. Now keyboard press again enter. Now you can see add outline color. Now you go into the text layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now select from stroke. Now you can see then I change the color. Now click from color option. Now choose from red color. Now click OK. Then size that outline. That is, now you click from OK. That is, now you can see text outline in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.